Hey guys, Terry with MZ Realty and Remodeling here. I'm going to do a quick little video over the DeWalt Shop Vac I picked up from Lowe's the other day for like 99 bucks. It came with the vac, the charger, the battery, like the small battery, but hey, it came with a battery and they're like 99 bucks alone when you go to buy them. So I've been working on a little project today, putting in a plug, and I need to clean up my work area. So what better time to test out the vac than on this little project? So this is the vac, the DeWalt 20 volt, 2-gallon cordless wet dry vac, 20 volt max. It came with this battery. Now, I want you to know it's not the type where you can check the power level on it. So, $99, you get that. And it came with the mini charger, which I've never seen this one. It's always the bigger charger, but this is the mini charger. It's a little dusty because I had it in the garage sanding. But anyway, and then this is the shop vac. Your hose attaches right here. It's cool because it sucks here, blows there. Anyway, on-off button, hose detaches here. You just put it in, swivel it. Your accessories, you have one accessory on the front that just clips in. And after this accessory, you also have your crevice attachment. And it just fits right in here. That's about it. Let's get the battery in and see about putting it to use. So I just put a plug on the other side of this wall, and I needed a plug on my patio. So this is my little mess, plus all my little dirt bunnies that live underneath my entertainment system. The things that have accumulated over the years, we're going to see about sucking all that stuff up. Well, I would say it did really well. Let's open it up and see what we look like on the inside. So you got your filter, and then there's all the waste, and I can just go dump it. All in all, happy. So yeah, I say if you can find this for $99, absolutely 100% buy it. Especially if you already have batteries. See, I already have the big XR. And so these fit just as well. And now I got more power on the vac. Even though they say 20 volt, they don't give out the same amount of power as the bigger battery. So that 5 amps, it's probably a big deal. Anyhow, yeah, I would highly recommend getting this if you can find it. But even maybe 150 would be fair, in my opinion. I don't know about 200 bucks. I'd wait on a sale. That's my mini review of this thing. I'm out.